Good morning. I have actually a swing trade on here on YM Micro, Russell Micro on one E-mini. Have this on since about, 7 o'clock, 7:15 on the E-mini, 7:15 Eastern. It was Sunday afternoon, and the micros was on since 6:09, 6:10. I leave them on because the market is just trading in a range. Right now, the micro is up like about $47, and the E-mini is up 430. So see the trend. So if you look at this, I got in over here, and I just leave it on way back here. Somewhere around here. And I just leave it on all night. We got the drop, come up, come down back. And I think of holding it longer. See much more that the enemy could actually drive down. I was looking at the Russell all night. It's not performing well. All right, so we could get a little more from this. He come back and he touched yesterday high here. We look at this, right? Come and he touched yesterday high. I may just take it off. Yesterday closes here. But I don't think he would get there. I think he would get somewhere here. The yesterday high and a Globex low, right? Then I could actually take it off right here. Right about there, actually. It's around 304. Asian market is closing. Let me check that out. We see what these guys are actually doing. So Asia is closing. All these are the Asian market. They're all closed right now. This is the European market. They're all up. So on that note, I would actually take this off here. Right. Take this off right here. Get a $400 to $500 win. 440 win on that. I'd also take off the micro, get a $4 to $5 win. So we just make $500 in there. I keep the YM on. There's a micro, I have it on since the 6:05 yesterday, Sunday evening. All right. Been up and down, up and down. So there's a nice swing trade on RTY. Longer than a scalp. Right. Put a 7. About 7 hours of being into that trade. In the E-mini, 7 hours in the micro on the Russell. That's it. Look for another trade, guys. I mean, this is just simple looking at the pattern. If you go back here and we look at the pattern, all right. If we put this on a even if we put this on a 5-minute chart, right? That's what the pattern look like. open up here. Here. All right. Here we open up. There's the Globex open here. We rally up. All right. I put it on here around somewhere around here, and I leave it on. Get this drop. It's in a 5-minute chart. In a 1-minute chart, this is what it looked like. See that? It's beautiful. If you have on multiple contracts, you could get out here. Could even take it right here to here, make some money. So, but it's a beautiful drop. If it was more than one contract, I could have actually leave it on, but it's one contract. Make $440, you take the profit. I say keep the YM on. I think YM would be in trouble. All right. I think we could actually sell off on the YM. But that's a micro, so. Yeah, that's all for now. Look for our next trade.